Very Good Food Company is what we're talking about today, guys. Thanks for joining the channel. We're going to go over the stock chart, the new facility they just said they're going to start ramping in Vancouver, Canada. Then we're going to touch base on their facility in California and talk about how that's going to help them grow their products year over year and how both of these facilities put together is going to make this company grow massively. So thank you for joining the channel. Hit that spicy like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright guys, so let's start off with the stock chart because a lot of people have been worried about this stock going down here recently, but I'm not too concerned about it, especially with the new news that's been coming out and all the great things that this company has going for them. So in the last month, they are up 105%. So keep that in mind. This stock has ran a lot in just 30 days, guys. They did have a little dip here where they went down about 20%. Right here it says 17%, but we've been recovering a little bit. We're up about 3 to 4%. We'll see where this stock ends today. If it keeps going lower, I want to buy more. I want to keep buying this stock as long as it's under $3. I believe in this stock for the long run, so there's no doubt in my mind that I will make a profit off this as long as I'm buying this stock under $3. For today, we've had this massive dip here. It's down about 4%, but we made a little recovery this morning, about 1%. We'll see where the stock ends for today. I think a lot of investors are looking past this new news that's coming out and the potential this stock has for 2021 and 2022 and beyond. So here's this great news that I've been talking about, guys, right here. The Very Good Food Company is pleased to announce it has signed a lease to secure a new production facility in Vancouver, British Columbia. Already built out as a food production facility by its previous plant-based operator, the VRYYF facility comprises of approximately 45,000 square feet of production, refrigeration, warehouse, R&D, and office space. The VRYYF facility is expected to be capable of producing up to 37 million pounds of annualized production to be phased in over the next year, representing an approximate increase of 2,690% over expected annualized production capacity of the company's Victoria factory of 1,375 pounds per year. So as you can see, obviously this facility is going to help them improve their production by a long shot. And this is really going to help them because if you go to their website, it says, due to overwhelming demand, processing times and orders will be 2 to 3 weeks, and not a lot of people want to wait on this. So having this facility up and running here in the next year will help them get rid of this 2 or 3 week wait and maybe even bring it down to a week or even a couple days to be able to get their product. And a lot of customers would be very pleased to get their product within the week. I promise you, nobody wants to wait 2 or 3 weeks for their product. So it says right here, the VRYYF facility will become the key focus of the company in the near term. The company anticipates the VRYYF facility will benefit from the close proximity to the company's executive team. So now they're going to have this facility right next to their old facility that was only producing a little bit over 1 million pounds per year, and now they're going to be able to produce almost 40 million pounds of product year over year just out of these two facilities in Canada. The company believes these benefits will lead to a much shorter timeline to ramp up production, with VRYYF facilities operations expected to commence in Q1 2021. They're going to get this up and running hopefully in Q1 2021. We'll start seeing this on their quarterly earnings hopefully at the beginning of next year, towards the middle of next year, which is obviously going to help this company grow massively. And the CEO says right here, we expect to be able to bring the VRYYF facility online swiftly and add significant capacity to address current production shortfalls arising from strong demand for our products in Canada and the US. So they are obviously having demand problems where they're getting way too much demand, not being able to produce it for them, and this is going to be able to help them. And they think that since this facility is close to their old facility, they're going to be able to do this swiftly and get rid of this demand problem, which is very exciting for investors because now we're going to be able to see all these back orders get filled and all of this revenue be put on that top line, and that helps the bottom line, and which is going to help this company's stock price go to the moon. Now I want to touch base on the facility in California because some of you guys might not know about this. They have a 25,000 square foot space facility in California. it's gonna produce about 550 pounds per week, which is about 30 million pounds a year of supply. So they'll be producing anywhere from 40 to 100 million pounds of this product probably by the end of next year, in my opinion, especially if they can get this California facility up and operating before April. And that's whenever their first payment is due. As you can see right here, it says the base monthly rent under the lease is $24,743, with the first payment due April 1st, 2021. And that's going to help them expand to like stores and maybe even get into like McDonald's and fast food and other restaurants like that, which is going to help this company obviously grow a bunch. Now I want to give you guys my opinion on what this revenue is going to look like in this coming quarter. If we take a look at last quarter's revenue, it was about $1.1 million, an increase of 395%. I do think they're going to beat this revenue this quarter, even though they don't have any more facilities. I'm hoping for like a 1.2 or 1.3 million dollar revenue this quarter. But what's really going to shine for this company is at the beginning and middle of next year. Once these other facilities are open, this revenue could grow anywhere from $3 to $5 million a quarter, in my opinion. So if you're in this stock for the long run, you have a lot of great things coming for you just in the next 6 months. So keep that in mind, that they only made $1 million last quarter, and with their new facilities, they're going to be able to make way more money, because last quarter, they only had a 4,000 square foot facility to make all their product, and they're 2 to 3 weeks behind right now. And obviously that's hurting their revenues. With these new facilities, they're going to be way ahead, and they're going to be making bukus of money. I do think this company could be a $1 billion market cap by the end of 2021 or into 2022. That's a 5x from here in only 12 months. This company has massive growth ahead of them. And I just want you guys to understand that if you're in this stock for the long run, any time right now is a good time to buy, especially with this stock being only a $200 million market cap. Once investors start to see that they're making anywhere from $3 to $5 million a quarter, and they're still getting strong demand through this company for all their product, this company is going to skyrocket. We've seen it with Beyond Meat, and we've seen it with many other companies. So hold on tight, and let's see where this baby takes us. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick update on Very Good Food Company. We went over the stock chart. We went over the facilities that they're going to hopefully have up and running by the beginning of next year, and how this is going to help them grow massive and hopefully get their demand under control and help them expand into new places, like maybe more fast food and maybe more Walmarts or Kroger's or places like that. I wanted to make this video because it's a very important thing to keep up with these companies, especially when they're growing so fast, to see where they're putting their money, see how they're going to handle demand and how they're going to treat their customers and get this demand under control. That's all for today, guys. Hit that spicy like button, hit the subscribe button. My name is Chris. Peace out.